Change date and time. Procedure. Click the start button which is located in the lower left corner of the screen. The start menu will appear. Highlight settings. A sub menu will appear. Click control panel. The control panel window will appear. Click date time icon. The date time properties dialog box will appear. In the date frame, select the month and year. In the month field, click to open the drop down menu and select the current month. Type the year in the year field or use the arrows next to the field to move forward or backward until you get to the current year. The time field is divided into 4 segments: hour, minutes, seconds, AM and PM. To make an adjustment, click in the segment and either type in the correct information or the arrow keys on the right side to select the current hour, minute, second or AM or PM. Time zone. Click on the time zone tab. Choose the correct time zone from the drop down menu. If you want the clock to automatically adjust to daylight saving time, check the box on the screen. Click the apply button. Click the OK button. Changing files views. The procedure. Thumbnails view display images. These images represent the contents of folders and files. For example, if a folder contains pictures, up to 4 of the pictures in the folder will be displayed on the folder icon. Tiles view and icons view display icons to represent drives, folders, and the contents of folders. The icons displayed when you choose tiles view are larger than icons that display when you choose icon view. Last view displays all of the files and folders without supplying the size, type, or date modified. Details view display the size, type, and date modified. To change the view, right-click any free area in the right pane. A context menu will appear. Highlight view. Change the view you want from the drop-down menu. Add remove programs. Procedure. Click on the start button, click control panel and then double click add or remove programs icon. In the currently installed program box, click the program that you want to remove and then click remove. If you are prompt to confirm the removal of the program, click yes button. Installing a printer. Procedure. Click the start button. The start menu will appear. Highlight settings. A sub menu will appear. Click printers and faxes. The printers and faxes will appear. Double click on add printer. The add printer wizard dialog box will appear. Click next button. Make sure that the add printer wizard selects the local printer attached to this computer radio button and that automatically detect and install my plug and play printer check box beneath this radio button is also selected before user clicks the next button. If the wizard is unable to detect printer in the new printer detection dialog box, click next button to install the printer manually. Select the port for the printer to use in the port drop down menu. In the select a printer port dialog box and then click the next button. User should select either LPT1 if you are connecting your printer using a parallel connector or USB. Click the manufacturer and the model of the printer in the manufacturer and the printer list boxes respectively. If the printer is not listed in the list box of printers, then click have disk button to install from the disk provided by the manufacturer. Select the drive that contains the disk in the copy manufacturer's files drop down menu and then click on the OK button. Click the next button to advance to name your printer dialog box. Type the name of printer or leave as it is. On the printer sharing window, click do not share this printer and then click next button to continue. On this print test page window, click yes button if you want to print a test page or click no button if you do not want to print a test page. Click next button to continue. Click finish button to complete the add printer wizard. Your printer will be ready for working. Cancel a print job. Click the start button. The start menu will appear. Highlight settings. A sub menu will appear. Click printers and faxes. The printers and faxes control panel will appear. Double click the printer to see which you sent the print jobs. The printer window will open. Click the job you want to stop. If you want to stop more than one job, hold down the control key while you click the additional jobs. Click document which is located on the menu bar. Click cancel button. Procedure. Click the start button in the bottom left of your screen. From the start menu, click on control panel. Double click on the font item in the control panel to see a list of all fonts on your computer. To install your new font, click file from the menu, then click install new font. The dialog box will appear. Once you have found your font, it will appear in the text area under list of fonts. Click on the font to select it and then click on the OK button. You should see your new font on the list. Double click on the font and it should be open in the Windows font viewer. You will then see some information about the font including copyright information.